Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So guys, I am really excited about doing this video today. I have heard so much about Wilko's makeup, body collection makeup. Everyone's talking about it.
Okay.
So I thought, do you know what? Let's get a full face of it and see what all the hype is about. So without further ado, don't mind my hair today guys, the roots are showing. Damn! It's lockdown. It's lockdown life. So when I tell you this is the most cutest packaging for a drugstore, I mean, I bought 2 shades of the foundation because we can't go testing any. So £4. These are £4 at the moment. You can get them in your local Wilko's, or like I did, get it online. So I've already just done my skincare. I've been using all the products that I got in my Molly May box. If you would like to see that video, I'd link it up there and down there. So feel free after this video if you want to go and check out the products that I've used for my skincare today. I'm just going to pop on my little Minnie Mouse ears, so it looks kind of cute. Obviously the body collection, so I'm not going to keep saying the body collection, We're doing a full face body collection. So body collection is a little indie brand that is sold in Wilko's. You can either buy it in store or you can buy it online. I will link it all down below. It is a really affordable makeup brand. I've heard this all over the internet, all over social media, Instagram, on here. Everyone's been talking and raving about it. So I've decided that I'm going to give it a go and see what all the hype is about. So this is the Illuminating Primer, lightweight, rich skin feel, suitable for all skin types. You get 30 ml in this bottle. So it's also, this brand is also vegan and cruelty free, which is absolutely amazing. It has 12 months on the expiration date on here. It has no scent to it. It just looks like a moisturiser, to be honest. So I'm just going to pop that all over the face. It feels really nice. It feels like a moisturiser base. It's giving me some luminosity to my skin. Really? Of course it's going to do that, but overall it feels really nice on the skin. It has got a little bit of tack to it, which is perfect. I love that in a primer because I know that my foundation is going to stick to it. I'm going to start off with the brows, and I'm going to be using their brown definer pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. This is also, the whole brand is vegan and cruelty free, which is really good. It also has a little spoolie and my favourite kind of brow pencil.
Okay.
I'm not really fond of pomades or anything like that, so I'm a creature of habit. So I'm just going to brush through the brows as I normally would. The shade's a little bit off for me, so I probably would go for a darker shade. It's really nice, to be honest. It's really nice to use, it's easy. The spoolie is really nice. It's one of those quite hard spoolies, which I absolutely love. I did pick up 2 concealers, so I have the one in light and one in fair. So this one's fair and this one's light. So I'm going to be using the fair concealer and just carving out the brows. Super easy to blend out as well. It's not drying too quick, so it's not making it hard for it to blend out. We're going to use the powder. So this is the transparent pressed powder. It's just a transparent pressed powder, and I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set that concealer. I mean, it's a pressed powder, there's not really much I can say. So the shadows that I'm going to be using today are these beautiful icy blue shadow. They do have all different palettes. I'll put some on screen. And they're really affordable. I think this was only like £2.50, which is amazing for a palette. So I'm gonna swatch these ones down the side. So you've got a grey, a blue. Oh my god, that icy blue or silvery blue. Oh my god.
Damn!
So I think the first colour I'm going to go into is this grey here. I've never actually done like a grey look, a grey blue look. So I'm going to be using my Real Techniques brush, and this is the base shadow brush. So I'm just going to go into that grey, and I'm just going to place that on the outer edge. Black, and just place that in the outer corner just to smoke it out. Oh yeah, with the black there's a lot of fallout. Use that same concealer as before and do a bit of a cut crease so we can pop that blue down. I'm then going to use this brush again but with no product and just basically blend out the edge of that concealer. Oh, I like that, guys. I really like that. Using my finger, I'm going to go into this dark blue first and pop that just on the outer part of the cut crease. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. And then I'm going to go into that icy blue, like grey, and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. Oh my god, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. And they work so well together as well. Blue, that icy blue silver is gorgeous. Wow. Guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. Like, it looks like a pair of denim jeans are on my eyes. The nice icy silver shade, and pop that in my inner corner. There's a highlight. So, my final thoughts on the eyeshadow. I'm obsessed. Let's go on to the rest of the face. So for foundation, I have 2 shades of the foundation. So these are the Illuminating Liquid Foundations, light to medium buildable coverage. That's what we want to hear, buildable. These are £4 each. So that is light beige. I think that's going to be a tad too dark for me. Come on, darling. Oh, it's coming. I think it's coming. Come on, don't show me up on camera. Right, it's definitely coming now. Oh, there she goes. I think porcelain's going to be too light for me. I'm just going to give them a little mixeroo. So maybe... Oh my god, guys, I found a fuzzy microfiber thing blend sponge in Home Bargains. It's the best thing that I've ever bought. This is game changing, seriously. So I'm just gonna pick some of that up on the back of my hand with the sponge, and I'm just going to pop that on. The coverage, let's just talk about this.
Damn!
That is with the foundation on. What? Like, seriously, what? I mean, you guys are seeing this, right? Like this dark circle under my eye. Where? Redness. Where? Like what? This is like cheaper than chips, cheaper than a meal. I did not know I was going to be this blown away by a foundation this afternoon, but clearly I am. So I'm going to use the pressed powder. So this is the translucent pressed powder. Yeah, just a translucent pressed powder basically. I think it's the only one I think they do it in different shades. I'm just going to pat this down. Like I say, it's not got any smell to it. Sometimes it can smell like baby powder, but this has got no smell to it whatsoever. There's some witchcraft going on here, I'm telling you now. Proper witchcraft. Picked up the bronzer, so this is in light medium. And it's obviously a baked one, and it's got a little bit of shimmer in there, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of shimmery bronzers, but I don't hate them. So I think all of them are shimmery bronzers as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I think they are. So I'm just going to bronze, and I like to do it quite high up on the cheeks. I'm going to do across the forehead. Orangey than what I'm normally used to. I like more cool tone bronzers. So it is a wee bit orange. I mean, she says that, but still constantly putting it all over her face.
Oh, really? That sucks.
I'm going to just pop it a little bit around my nose. Not too much of a contoury kind of girl. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to contour, so kind of just put it where I want to. Stop with the bronzing. The next thing I'm going to use is the blush, and she looks like this. This one is in the shade Coral. Oh my god, how cute is this blusher? I'm going to use the Spectrum CO7. Ooh, she pigmented. Just douse her down a bit. Do that creepy little grin that we all do when we put in a bit of blush on.
Okay.
She's very pigmented, so unless you want an Aunt Sally kind of look, where you like to put a lot of blush on, go a little bit steady with the old blusher. So I also picked up the liquid illuminator. This looks absolutely stunning, and this is in the shade Pink. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit on the fingertips, just pat the fingertips together and just put it on the high points of my cheeks. Ooh. That is super nice. I'm just going to pop a little bit, obviously, on the end of my nose. Ooh, yeah. On the Cupid's bow, give it a tap. The old milk moustache. And I like to put a little bit just in between, like, my bridge and my brows. Yeah, that's quite pretty. And it has actually worked really nicely on the top of powder. I've powdered everything, so that's worked really, really nice. And my skin just looks like a filter. I'm pretty obsessed. So then we have the highlight. So this is the Baked Illuminator, and I got mine in Luna. Oh, wow. Let's see if we can actually, ooh. I'm hoping that you can actually see that, or you're just going to see me going ooh, ooh, ah, ooh. But it is quite pretty. I'm going to use a fan brush. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm going to use the Spectrum DO4, which is a highlighting brush. I'm just going to pop that on. Oh, see that glow? And that's what I love.
Okay.
I'm just going to put a bit up here and a bit up here and a bit all over my face. And let's just stop that before it goes a little bit crazy. And then I'm just going to go back around with my sponge and just blend that all together. I'm just going to do a little bit of a smoky lower lash line. Now everybody is obsessed with this mascara. So this is the Big Volume Mascara. It has a massive, massive wand, which I'm a massive fan of the wand. I mean, it's doing okay for my lashes. It's not wowing me. I mean, it has given me some volume and length in my lashes, but it's not wowed me. Yeah, I mean, it's given me volume and it's given me a little bit of a lift with my lashes, but I mean, the eyeshadow, I'm obsessed. So guys, the last thing to do is pop a little bit of lipstick on. So I've got this lipstick and it's in the shade Nude. I'm obsessed. It's a little bit like the Huda Beauty shades. And I'm obsessed. So let's just pop this on. It feels quite buttery, which I like in a lipstick. It's not too drying. So the shade, it's a little bit lighter than what I normally would go for, but I'm quite liking this new like light lipstick. So, and I think it goes really well with the eyes because it's like all on the eyes and a little subtle on the lips, which I love. I've also picked up the Lip Crush lip gloss in clear. It's more like a lip oil, if I can describe it. It's not sticky, it doesn't feel like a normal lip gloss, it just actually feels like a lip oil. I'm absolutely obsessed, guys. I really am, and I see what all the hype's about. I actually see what all the hype's about. If you like this video, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please give it a big thumbs up, it helps out my channel, and I will see you in the next one, guys.